Hello, my people. How na dey? So na dey fine. Una do for una side. My people, I know say social media just dey make go wah 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 wah. I can't come across two video like that. So this first one, na Monica do I see am for one blogger. So I just pick am. Then another one, I come see the other one where be say the direct message to Destiny Ebagua. And the first of us, may I talk about the Destiny Ebagua. Destiny Osaugwe no vie Ebagua Destiny Osaugwe Destiny no vie Ebagua Destiny Osaugwe. So now you just can't be like this where be say they just they sweep ground for all corner. Or in the name of say now the way you put yourself. You know say me na person where be say I like una, I like your family, yes. Because now wetin person like, na person they do for life, wetin they give you joy, na person they do. I like your family, yes. But the video we are here today, the thing shocked me. Somebody was telling you, say, you will not be mates. The thing can't ring for inside my brain. I was like, do you mean you are talking to Destiny Novie Bagua? Where be say I could bear you stay sing that time. I be you are talking to another person. Now I can't know say now you because they can't still put your picture. Destiny, you form many people hand. So you can't they call presenter. They beg. I don't understand. Beg of what? Beg of what? Ha! Jesus is Lord. Destiny, for you to be even to beg presenter, they send audio to do what? Not be Nigeria we dey. We are not in Nigeria. We dey for abroad. You know what they call abroad? Now abroad now we dey. Anybody that threaten you, hold that person. Make sure say you get the evidence. Carry on. If anything happen to somebody, that person wey threaten, now you be the first person where they come ask question. Say you sabi talk. Now you want to threaten people, no problem. Then go hold you. Wait till you know whether now you same person. They go find out. Wait till make you not make am. This abroad people know they threaten you. They not they do it because something fit happen. Now you they'll fair ask. No be lie. So you go they call presenter. You presenter say do your friend. My brother, may I tell you one thing? If you know say you get anything where you give that presenter make it old, may you kukuma sit down for your platform, may you come the talker. Maybe some recording day now. You know say when presenter don't get your recording, they go get that power. No matter how much you go pay that presenter, if they come next to me, make come bust am. Because why? Maybe you know they give am that something again, it go come bust the codes. Because when I dey listen to that audio, that video, I run comot. I no fit watch am finish. He say you will cannot be mates. I will be down when you do akpa diori again. Who you be? Now say, now Destiny where Akobe Nyate sing night that they talk to, I been another person. You see this life, the way where you take put yourself, now people take they address you. You go too low to people because of media. Where be say people go talk finish for inside their house, they'll go they sleep. You can't they run up and down. Now the cause where they want to curse your wife. Now you go come make your wife come go down. Person we don't like am, don't like am. Who never like am, no go still like am. Take it or leave it. Destiny Ebagua, you fuck up. I must tell you, my brother. You know, say me, I be person where I like una. But the way where you say they go, me I not like am. How many you go feel beg? May they not insult your wife. Who their insult dog by? You not see this saga. You know they buy anybody. The waiting they go do. They go carry your papa, your pikin, your husband. They go come put am for media. You know they stick by them. They go still their life. So you can they run up and down. Go they call. Where it's a bono bohame, so bohame. I know say you they do it because of say you love your wife. But there are certain people you don't even need to be to even beg. Tell us say do your worst. This was you know say. That's what they tell talking. Just say do your worst. This one was saying. Yes, yeah. It's so nice. So you go they run up and down, go they beg, la wo, so come here, Now me wait they talk finish, they sit down for inside their house. You don't see anybody say they do something for inside this media when they see themselves, they come they big themselves. You don't ever see them. The answer is no. So what are you begging for? What are you begging for? Me have a money no when you do agbe no do ayi me ame. He will know. He will must say, see your life. It's just that I'm not somebody like that. I will never carry somebody where be say not do me anything. It will destroy image or a career. No, because God will do who? It they look. I feel do it today. If you go reach my pikin, if you go reach my children body, that is why I dey go your way you to go to your way. People go talk as me just they talk now, just they rant for my life video. You where ya sion weri area gbe no ye ko egbe no kekode ya mi omani ya ga nyanya. Now so it be for live video. You go the emia. Wait till you call the bed put. I don't understand. Wait till you call the bed put. You might understand. Ni ya area visa no bokan we. Na ge bokan we pe. O bokan we na pe one city. Or me when na pe ya. Which I know say they not get the right. Let me tell you now, abroad with it. Don't let anybody they tell you say if they call police for you. A police airwaybo, they are not stupid. Okay? They are not stupid. You cannot call up balek but no time where somebody they play for so play unless you say you are not genuine. And if you are not genuine, they will never arrest you that moment. They will find out. Do you understand? They can only find out and see whether the information they bring on is they real or wrong. Not be Nigeria where they'll say you are under arrest. They'll follow you. They want go say you come and bail that person. It's not they work like that. This is Europe country. Do you understand? So destiny you dey for people hands. He said for you alone to even make friend with presenter. Presenter and a presenter. Agberangbiri. You go carry go they take until they move. Take until they do friends. Agyo bo agyo sun abi no no. O me ro me nge. O na ale lo me ku o kan sun me ni. Wo kan ya sun. Na so it be. Na so it be. You choose people that you want to mingle with. Choose people that say no, this one never in history. I not go there. But you, I don't know. Were you afraid? Say they will saga you. Wait till be saga. Ogun ogbera ogun ogbiju e. Why ile lekian? Wa ka e wo no pa na be the saga. Na be the saga. They carry your pikin, they bring her come, you carry your husband, they bring her come. Oh, tie no tie ne. Wa be ho see I we bizugbe. It doesn't mean we the day agben when they buy. So which one you come they run up and down put? If you start on for the first time, you must start on one way here. That's so it be. That is why where you are alone. Oh, I am one they say negative avant. If you see me face to face, make you try that nonsense. They will never do it. You don't ever see presenter where they shout, boy. If I see you, I go break bottle for your head. If I do this one, they go see their self. They go pass because they know say na abroad with it. You don't do that nonsense for you. Not be Nigeria where you see say they go they be now for you buy because of say you talk for live video. Best you can't tell you say he get the power, he get the everything. Your wife no go play and where can go you go. I be your wife no they not give her visa. Not be visa I take on. I been na dagbo take on. My brother, you fall hand oh. You fall hand. Then you run move your name no daji. Or ya na go sit down for your live video. May you start to dey confess. May they beat you once and for all. Okay? Nonsense. You fall my hand. For real. You fall my hand for you to dey mingle with people where be say no tie bonera tie bonije uyiyan was say for waiting. You don't know say you go reach yourself, you go reach your body one day. Na so it be. Now make me I dey follow people where they see say this one on agumele lehian. Ya bere woman no gbero tie bonera tie bonije tie bonomo. I will never move close to you. I will never carry my phone to say hello. I know they do. Because why? Emmanuel wegbele emana gbonyahin. One day you go still reach my place. So before you go reach my place, first they go that side. I don't need you. That make me I day my day. I day my side. If you insult me, if I feel like I go talk to you. If I see say you not reach, I go leave you, may you dey cry. You will my bury way. You understand? So destiny, what you do, it no good. I must tell you. You know, say me, I not be person with no balama. But if you call me for alama, I go come. If I feel like, but if I see say Roma ni mag bago me no, he say vani see I know me. He want me no la owa. Social media, if they shout finish, they go enter us, including me. If I shout finish, I'll sit down for inside my house. If I see you are there, look you anyanya. Because why? You never go nianze your door lawyer. You never go nianze your door lawyer. Erioni the jene never go your door lawyer. Now I make everybody look peaceful. Anyanya. May I talk another video for the video where be say I see for AB Paris. This one na for destiny, oh. What a shame. You fall people hand, oh. Of Ebagua.